Ready? Start. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a rare privilege that I enjoy today of welcoming you to this annual general meeting of the board. The members of the board and myself are most grateful to you for the honor you have done us in acceding to our request to inaugurate this session. The trust you have placed in the engineers of the country to influence further and shape the economic progress of the nation is obvious in the appointment of one of the experts of our profession and one of our past presidents as Union Minister. The board takes pride in his appointment as such, and I can assure you on behalf of the board that the trust you have placed in him will be fully justified. In one of his inaugural speeches to this board, our late Prime Minister had said that two words, irrigation and power, briefly represent the basic needs of any material development in these regions today. It is therefore very opportune for us to have a few words of advice and guidance from a statesman of your ability with a lifelong service to constructive work. Before I proceed to the main subject of my address, it may not be out of place to speak a little on the activities of the board, which has now completed over 30 years of fruitful service to the nation. The efforts of the board have enabled India to occupy a prominent place on the irrigation and power map of the world. As an organization, it possesses the highest degree of technical competence and enjoys a worldwide reputation. Some of its publications are being quoted as reference books throughout the world. The board has been responsible for making some original contributions in the science and technique of irrigation engineering. During the second plan, the board formulated a scheme for promoting and advancing fundamental and basic research in the field of irrigation and power engineering, which was approved by the Government of India and has been continued in the third plan. The board is playing a vital role in coordination and guiding research in this country, thus preventing duplication and wastage of effort, and in bringing about improvements in irrigation practices and methods of construction, publishing results of research or irrigation subjects. The board is today the biggest cooperative organization in the country, contributing to nation's irrigation and power development. Though the board can feel proud of its past achievements, it can feel complacent in face of so many new problems which confront the profession today. The present food shortage is a challenge to us all. What we have to think is how to meet this important problem of food shortage, how we are to produce more food to feed millions of our countrymen. We cannot rely on imports for long. I will now complete my brief speech. Thank you. Dear sirs, we have great pleasure in introducing ourselves as one of the leading dealers in cycle and cycle parts in this part of Madras city. We find that so far you have not had any representative to sell your cycles and cycle parts here. We also understand that there are no agents of yours in the neighboring districts as well. We therefore wish to offer our services as your agents to push up the sale of your cycles in this district and also the neighboring parts of this state. We wish to assure you that there will be a good market for your cycles and there may not be any difficulty in selling them. We have been dealing in cycles and cycle parts for the last 10 years and represent several firms of Bombay and Bangalore. In view of our vast knowledge of the local market and also our rich experience in this trade for such a long time, we are sure that we can render very useful service to you as your local agents. We have 3 modern showrooms in this beautiful city. All of them are large and situated in busy localities. When your cycles are exhibited in such a fine place, it will be to your great advantage. There will be no difficulty in selling them then and there. In this connection, however, we wish to inform you that a large number of people are expected to visit this famous city from all parts of this state to witness the annual local festival which is to be held during next month. If you decide on appointing us as your agents within a week and also send your products within a fortnight, we are very confident that it will be possible for us to give better and wide publicity to your products and sell them in large numbers to those people who witness the festival. As per our terms, we wish to have 10% commission on the sale of products. We assure you that we shall make our prompt and best efforts to promote your business. We await the favor of early reply. Yours faithfully. Dear sir, I write to bring to your kind notice that I am working as a technician in a private limited company located in Peenya Industrial Area, Bangalore. My wife is a central government employee working as accounts superintendent in telecom department. We are planning to purchase a built house at Yelahanka, New Town. On the above grounds, I intend to avail house purchase advance from your esteemed firm which is serving the Kannadigas from past 12 years. As such, I furnish the following details of the proposed house to be purchased. The measurement of the site is 1600 square feet. The area of built house is around 1200 square feet with entrance constructed with accommodation of single hall, 2 bedrooms, kitchen, toilet and internal staircase. However, 2 sides of the compound have been raised and 1 side pending. The painting work and carpentry works are also pending. The present owner of the building has proposed to sell the building amounting to rupees 11.5 lakh as on the date of October 31st. He has also stated that the rest of the works which is pending are to be finished by purchasing party. Under the above circumstances, I would like to submit my application for house purchase advance as I intend to purchase the same. I am forwarding the original sale deed, khata extract, affidavit, plan approval, tax, paid receipt, salary certificates, 6 number passport size photos, witness certificate for your kind perusal with the request to kindly sanction me house purchase loan. Also let me know up to what extent I am eligible, what are the official formalities to be fulfilled? What is the rate of interest and the mode of payment? Also let me know what all the documents to be pledged in support of house purchase. Meanwhile, the present owner has given a month's time to purchase the house, otherwise he is likely to charge 1% interest on belated payment. Hence, I earnestly request your kind self to initiate suitable action. Thanking you, sir, in anticipation of your reply in the matter. Yours faithfully.